and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to be making a chocolate chip mug cake. But before we get into the video, make sure to give this video a nice thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the little bell so you don't miss other of my videos. Alright, let's get started. So this is super interesting. This is going to be a mug cake. So apparently everything's going to be able to fit into a nice little ramekin like this. So all you're going to need is your milk and egg, some oats, some pure maple syrup, baking powder, a little bit of salt, and some chocolate chips. Now you're going to need a banana. So this is, I just wanted to show you guys what happens when you freeze a banana and then try and defrost it. So that's just what's going on here. So I know it looks kind of crazy. Does not look good, does not look cute. So it's going to be brown, like it doesn't matter, that's just what happens. Even if you put like a perfectly yellow banana in the freezer, it's going to look like this. So all you're going to do is just let that sit out and thaw on its own, and then all of the extra juices and stuff you're just going to want to leave alone and throw away. Like, don't incorporate them into anything that you're making. So this recipe is a little bit different, not only because it's in a mug or a ramekin, but you're going to be blending everything into like a little blender. I'm just going to use my NutriBullet, and then you're going to be just literally putting those ingredients inside, blending them up, and just pouring that in the ramekin. So I'm just going to try and gently take the skin off. Now typically, as you guys know, I will already have these pre-sliced and put into like a Ziploc baggie and just defrost them in that way. We have our little defrosted banana. So we're just going to put that right in there. We're just going to throw this away. Okay, so my camera had just stopped recording. So all I did was went ahead and added our milk. So right now all you should have in here is your banana and your milk. Now it doesn't matter what order you put these in, and they're all getting blended literally in the blender anyway. So the only thing, like I said, is you're not going to blend your chocolate chips anyway. You're just going to be putting those right on top. You have your oats. Now you're not going to be using like pancake syrup here. You're just going to be using pure maple syrup. If you don't want to use maple syrup, you're welcome to use honey. Just going to use a tablespoon of that. We have our baking powder. And just a little bit of salt. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and get this stuff out of my way, and then we're going to get to blending. Now I know I don't need this now, but you never know. So I'm just going to put this apron on. Plus it matches my outfit. Oh, okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and grab my NutriBullet. Put our lid on, and then we're going to get blended. Doesn't get any simpler than that. Alright, so we're just going to go ahead and pour this into our ramekin. I don't know if I have enough to make another mini one. Let me see. Alright, so it's not filled to the brim. They're both kind of filled like to the line. So I'll make two of them. Then we're just going to go ahead and sprinkle some chocolate chips on top. Alright, so now I'm just going to go ahead and put these in the oven and bake for 20 minutes, and then we'll come back and try some. Okay. Now let's do our taste test. Cling. Okay, well it seems like the 20 minutes was perfect, and I'm happy I put them in two different ramekins because clearly we got two mini mug cakes. If I would have put all of this in that one, can you imagine? So I'm just going to let these cool down a little bit, and then we're going to try some. Okay guys, so we're all done. We've cooled off a little bit. So they kind of sunk in like just a little bit, but nothing crazy. They do seem pretty soft. The chocolate chips are nice and melted, but now it's time to try some. Look at all of the melted chocolate on the inside. I love that this is in a little ramekin like this, so everybody has their own little serving, which reminds me, one second. So, I have this book called The Complete Cooking for Two Cookbook. There's this recipe in here. Where is it? They're warm chocolate fudge cakes, and they're in little ramekins like that. This recipe here just took me back to this one, which I literally have like a little post-it so I remember where it is. So good. I might have to actually make these on camera for you guys so you can see, because they are like ridiculous, but this is like my new favorite way to make little desserts now. Everybody has their own little ramekin to just take with them. Super delicious, super convenient. Now, unlike those chocolate lava cake ones, this one is a healthier option, but who cares? You gotta love a little sometimes, right? But these are so good. I hope you guys liked them. If you did like them, make sure to give this video a nice thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the little bell so you don't miss none of my videos. And share this video with anybody who likes chocolate chip cookies or little chocolate chip cakes. And as always, if you guys want to get my exclusive nutrition tips, healthy food recommendations, and delicious recipes just like this one, then make sure to head over to my description box, click the link, and join the fam. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.